welcome to everyone present here. It's an immense pleasure for all of us to participate in the Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our team, Makes Clever, has come up with a problem statement titled AI powered monitor of crop health, soil condition, and pest risk using multispectral or hyperspectral imaging and sensor data. The theme that we have come under is agriculture, food tech, and rural development. The category that we belong to is software, and our team ID is 94, and the problem statement ID is SRH 25099. Let's see the technical approach of our project.
So the technical approach. The software that we have developed is Agri Sentinel. So Agri Sentinel is a very user-friendly software to the farmer and as well as to the user. So this software is mainly built to solve the problem of pest risk, soil condition, and others. So coming to the components and the tools and technologies, let's see with the technical approach. So first, coming to the model development. The model developed is using MATLAB. So in MATLAB, we are using two toolbox. One is hyperspectral toolbox. The other one is deep learning toolbox. Coming to the AI models, we are using CNNS. CNN is nothing but convolution neural networks. LSTMS stands for long short time memory. ONNX stands for open neural network exchange. Next, coming to the hyperspectral camera. The cameras has been customized in such a way that the images should be captured in a hyperspectral way. Next, coming to the Edge AI hardware. So in this, we are using Raspberry Pi or Jetson Nano for the on-camera anomaly detection. Next, coming to in-field sensor, we are using soil moisture sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor in order to capture soil-related data. Next, coming to the wireless links, we are using Wi-Fi, LoRa, Zigbee for the local data transmission. Next, coming to the backend, we are using Python flags. Then coming to the database, as we know, database is always SQL. So here also we are using SQLite and PostgreSQL for local data storage. Next, coming to the dashboard, which is a front view of our website. It's formed by React.js and Chart.js. Next, coming to the chatbot, we are using 12-year API. Next, coming to the SMS gateway for the with the an area without a network, we can transmit the data using SMS. So we are using TLS, SSL, and basic authentication for local server and dashboard. Here is a block diagram of which we have developed our AgriCenter project. So we are using the ONX model for the final data transmission to connect it with the Python Flask, and all the features has been given in this block diagram itself. Let's see the prototype for the further explanation. So now let's see the prototype that we have developed for AgriSentinel. So first tab shows the farm field map. So what is a farm field map? It is a location of a map. So for example, if you're going to take a 10-acre land, so only a single crop cannot be sown. So there are different types of crops that has been sown, and let's see what's the crop and what is the disease detected and what are the census data that we have collected. So here we can see three different colors: green, orange, and red. Green shows that plant is perfectly healthy. So let's see what's in green. So here we can see the crop that is sown here is rice, and the plant is very much healthy. It is 85% healthy. This 85% healthy can be found from the NDVI analysis of the plant, and the field is located in the north side. So next, let's see the orange color of the orange sector of a plant of a field. Can we go to? Next, coming to the orange sector of our field, here the field is A2 and it's located in the center of our field. Then there are some in the health status itself, we can see it's only 65%. So 65% there is some issues. So we can see there is low soil moisture and there is early leaf blight signs. So we can see that low soil moisture, we can just irrigate the plant and we can solve the issue. For early leaf blight, we can just go for the chat GPT, our farmers GPT assistance, and we can see what is the solution given. So in the chatbot, we need to type, can you just give us the solution for this? So what to do for early leaf blight? Next, coming to this, the farmer's GPT assistant will give us the solution for us. So the solution that it has preferred is uh, apply a foliar spray of pseudo-based organic, and the general normally the alternative solution is neem oil. So neem oil is one of the very much essential one, and it's very easily available. It should be mixed with water and be sprayed to the plants. Then coming to increasing the soil moisture, we can just irrigate the plant. Next, let's see about let's see the sensor data. So next, coming to the sensor data, here we can see the soil moisture, temperature, humidity, leaf wetness, and NDVI index. So we can see that the change in the soil moisture, temperature, and humidity and NDVI index in the below of our tab. So we can see that in time duration, 12 hours ago, what was the status of our soil moisture, and during the 6 hours time, and now there is a varying data analysis and analytic. We can see the NDV analysis, the red, orange, and the green. As I said before itself, it shows the plant health status. Next, coming to disease reduction, it's the third tab of our prototype. So in this, we'll be seeing the how we train the model and how we getting the solution using MATLAB software. So the new scan option is the one that we are going to use here. So now let's see how the prototype is being developed using the MATLAB software. As I said earlier, we need two toolboxes. One is a deep learning toolbox, another one is the hyperspectral imaging toolbox. So let's see what are the step-by-step procedure for doing the model training. So first, before training starts, we have to first install the deep learning toolbox. Next, step two is prepare the data set with image data store. Next, third step is verify data sets labels. Then step four is split data set into training and validation sets. So here in validation sets, we have two parts: the 80% for training the model, and 20% for the validating of its performance. Next, coming to check step five, it checks split label counts. Step 6, define image augmentation and prepare augmented data store. Next, step 7 is load pre-trained network and modify for your classes. Next, step 8, configure training options. Next, let's see how the trained model is being processed. So this is the training process, and we can see that the model is being trained using, and we can see the graph variations, and we can see the training cycles, training times, the validation, and other information is being given. So the model is trained. After the training process, we can see step 9 is train the network. Next, step 10 is evaluate model on validation data. Next, step 11 is save the trained model. And step 12 is a main and more foremost point of our trained model is export the trained model to ONX format. So we saw how we developed, how we trained our model. So let's see how the trained model is working here. So we're going to click the new scan button. We can just upload the picture of the defected one, and we can just check what is the cure it's going to give. So the image is being scanned, so we can see the scanning option is being coming, and we can see the solution is the organic solution. I'm just pressing the word organic solution is being given here. So first one is neem oil spray, and another one is baking soda spray. Neem oil should be mixed with water and it should be sprayed thoroughly. The other one is baking soda. Spray mix a teaspoon of baking soda with 1 liter of water and again spraying it. So by this, it prevents, it gives good air circulation, it removes the infected leaves and water wisely. So these are the some of the solution that is being given to the farmer by our farmer GPT assistant. So this is done by, as we saw earlier, by the MATLAB model we trained. We can just see all the features and all the solutions, and we can also see that various languages also being here. So now let's go to the fourth tab, which is the market news. So next, coming to the market news, we can see that various crops has been showcased here. So rice, sugarcane, tomato, cotton. So everything is being given here. So we can just see what is the current price. For example, let's see. For it's been given per quintal, which is nothing but 100 kgs. So rice is being reduced. The price has been reduced before from yesterday. So this time the tomato, if we're going to sell tomato, it's a profitable one. We can It's been 246. Next, coming to the harvesting time and market strategy. So we can see that the optimal harvest windows, storage recommendation, and other stuffs has been given. Next, price prediction and marketing tips. Next, we can see that government schemes and subsidies is been. So coming to the schemes, there are various schemes that we are going to use here. Some, let's just see, like Kisan scheme, crop insurance scheme, soil health. So the farmers can take what scheme is being suitable for him, and he can just use it. So sometimes for in disaster time, the schemes has been cancelled. The farmer need not pay. So in that time, it is very much gaining for. So by giving in our software, he can just see everything related to harvesting from sowing till harvesting. Everything is being given in a single software. So I just consider this to be advantage in our prototype that we have developed, Agri Sentinel. And this software is very much useful to the user and as well as the farmer, and it is easily accessible, and it is various adaptable features is being given. So if we're going for North India, Hindi can be used. Coming to South India, Malayalam, Telugu, and Tamil can be used. And coming Northeastern state, all the languages is being available. So the adaptability is very vast. And coming to the all the new strategy, as I said, the farmers can know from sowing till the harvesting period, all the news is being updated in a single software. So the technology gradient has been improved. Then I once again say that Agri Sentinel is very much helpful to farmers, and he can use in various situations. Even without Wi-Fi, the messages will be given through SMS. So by this, I would conclude that Agri Sentinel is very much helpful software. And thank you once again, SIH, for giving us this wonderful opportunity in presenting our software. Thank you. Into training.